What is DMARC? DMARC is another email authentication protocol. Its purpose is to help preventing email spoofing, phishing, and fraud. The key components of this protocol are SPF and DKIM record. This means that you cannot set up DMARC record without setting up SPF and DKIM record first. The second one is the DMARC record itself. It is a DNS record that specifies how email from a domain should be authenticated. Let's now see how DMARC works. The sender publishes a DMARC record in its DNS. The recipient checks SPF and DKIM alignment. DMARC policies instruct the recipient on how to handle non-aligned emails. What are the benefits of using this record? Improved email deliverability helps email providers identify legitimate emails. Enhanced security reduces the risk of phishing attacks and email fraud. DMARC uses 3 policies: known, quarantine, and reject. Known is used for monitoring purposes without impacting delivery. Quarantine means that suspicious email may be placed in the recipient's spam folder. Reject means that non-aligned emails are rejected. Which are the implementation steps? First of all, we need to create and publish a DMARC record in DNS. After that, we need to perform a gradual deployment. We need to start with a known policy, monitor reports, and then adjust and tweak the policy moving to quarantine and then reject based on confidence. DMARC also provides reports with insights with email authentication results. Analyzing these reports helps improve authentication and identify potential issues. What are the common challenges with DMARC? First one is false positives. This means that some legitimate emails could be marked as suspicious. Second one is configuration errors. This regards mistakes in DMARC record setup. And last one is with gradual implementation. Adjusting policies too quickly can disrupt email delivery. Many organizations, including major email providers, have now adopted DMARC. It is widely recognized as an important tool for email security. Let's now have a look at the best practices with DMARC record. First of all, remember to regularly monitor DMARC reports. It could be also useful to collaborate with third-party services for advanced DMARC management. Lastly, stay informed about updates and best practices. For this lesson, you can find a more detailed definition of DMARC on the Wikipedia page at the link shown in this slide. Also, you can find useful tool for checking DMARC at the second link available. Finally, if you want to test a third-party tool, you can use dmarcreport.com